Who will read second question? Who will read second question?
Retain their volume even when external pressure is applied.
Yes.
This property is called
Dash. Okay. Solid retain their volume even
incompressibility.
incompressibility. Answer is incompressibility.
Incompressibility.
Yes. Underline your answer. Sansare, your roll number not 41. Your roll number is, I think, 39.
40.
39 Sansare, 40 is Raj Samant. Okay, next now, number third. Matter is classified into three types: mixture, compound, elements. By applying this criterion dash. Which criteria we applied for this classification? Yes. Your third number question, see. Which criteria you will apply?
Chemical composition of matter. Chemical
Tell me
composition
the criteria for the classification. Criteria for classification. Criteria for classification. Your answer will be
chemical composition for atom.
chemical composition of matter. Chemical composition of matter. Underline your answer there. Underline your answer. Raj Samant, keep your video on. Second, see, very simple one. Matter that contain two or more constituent substance is called mixture. Matter that contains two or more constituent substance is called a second one. See, milk is an example of type of matter called milk is a good afternoon, join fast.
Heterogeneous mixture.
Underline your answer. Heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Now next, water, mercury, bromine are similar to each other because they are dash. Why they are similar? Because all they are liquids. Very good. Very good. Very good. Second now.
Liquids.
Valence of carbon is 4 and that of oxygen 2. From this we understand that there are dash chemical bond between carbon atom and one oxygen atom in the compound carbon dioxide.
Chemical bond.
Chemical?
Two chemical bonds.
Yes, note down your answer. Note down your answer there. Gauss join. Second, see, now I will read second one. When liquid is poured from one container to another, when liquid poured from one container to another, its shape may be changed, but its volume dash
Remains the same.
increase, decrease.
Remains the same.
Answer will be volumes remain same. Volumes remain same. Second, see, the property by which some solid maintain their shape even when subjected to external force is called dash.
Flexibility.
Either elasticity, fluidity, rigidity or plasticity. Rigidity. Answer will be rigidity. Second, see, dash is complex compound. Glucose, blue vitriol, chlorophyll and soda. Yes. Answer will be chlorophyll. Now come in the find odd man out. Find odd man out. Let's see. Find odd man out. First group, see, Gold, silver, copper, brass. Gold, silver, copper, brass. Answer will be brass. You can make some practice by writing it just now. Number second, milk, lemon juice, carbon, steel. Milk, lemon juice, carbon, steel.
Carbon.
Answer will be carbon.
Carbon.
Then see hydrogen, hydrogen peroxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor. Yes, hydrogen. Answer will be others are compound.
Hydrogen is element. So hydrogen is
Yes.
different.
Second see water, mercury, bromine, petrol.
Petrol. Petrol.
Answer will be
Others are inorganic compounds.
others are inorganic compounds.
Compounds.
Second see sugar, salt, baking soda, blue vitriol.
Sugar.
Answer will be sugar. Wait, one
Sugar
minute.
is organic compound.
Yes, organic compound. Next see hydrogen, sodium, potassium, carbon. Hydrogen, sodium, potassium, carbon. Answer will be carbon. Answer will be carbon. Now see second question. You note down, take down the question, match the column. Match the column. Keep your videos on. Take down the question, match the column. Match the column. Make two columns. Make two columns. Make two columns. In first column, take some examples, take some question points. First one, take milk. Second, lemonade, LOMONADE.
LEMONADE.
Number third, sand and water. And fourth, brass. Already have the digest, that's why you are giving the answer fast. Let it be. In column second, take first alloy, second collide, third solution, fourth suspension. Now match these columns. Within 1 minute, match these columns and tell me the answers.
Milk collide.
First, milk is.
Mixture.
Wait.
Mixture.
I will ask one by one. Milk, collide, lemonade, solution, salt and water, sand and water, suspension, brass, alloy. Very good. Now, second group now. Second, make once again two columns. Again make two columns. Take in column first. First take air. Number one, air. Number two, silver. Number two, silver. Number three, bronze. Number three, bronze.
Bronze.
And number four, vinegar.
Vinegar.
Number four, vinegar. Now column second, take solid in solid, solid in solid. Number 2, mixture. Number 3, liquid in liquid, liquid in liquid. And number 4, compound. Number 4, compound. Match it and tell your answers fast.
Vinegar, liquid in liquid,
हाँ
air, mixture,
हाँ
silver, compound,
yes. And bronze,
solid in solid,
solid in
solid in solid,
solid in solid. Very good. Now some true and false. True and false. See the first. Hmm. Gas have definite shape and volume. Gas have definite shape and volume. True or false? Is it true or false? False. Correct.
false,
Number second now. Copper sulfate is a mixture. Copper sulfate is a mixture. Yes.
false,
False. Copper sulfate is mixture is false. Wait a one member is joining. Mapsekar. Okay, let him join. Second, see, water is a mixture. Water is a mixture. True or false?
false,
It is a.
compound,
It is compound. It is compound. Now you question third, define. You take some questions. Define. First take define liquid. Taken liquid. Then take element. Then take compound. Then take fluidity. Fluidity.
fluidity,
Ah,
fluidity,
yes.
fluidity,
Tell me how much, which questions you have taken? You have taken liquid, then element, then compound, then fluidity,
fluidity,
then phase.
fluidity,
Yes, then take phase, phase. PHASE. Define. Phase. 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 Then take solute. Solute, solvent, solution. Solute, solvent, solution. Then suspension. Suspension. Then take colloid. 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 Make these definitions carefully for your exam. Write it and be ready for the answer for
sir,
all the definitions. Yes, all the definitions. Now, one more question from your exercise. Give 2 examples. Come in your exercise.
sir,
First, give 2 examples of colloid. Who will give 2 examples of colloid? First is milk. Second, blood. Write your answer. Write your answer. Milk and blood. Milk and blood.
blood,
Question second C. Give two examples of liquid element. Liquid element. Yes, any two. Liquid element. Anyone?
mercury, bromine,
Mercury and bromine. Now give two examples of homogeneous mixture. Give two examples of homogeneous mixture.
gluten,
Blue vitriol, dissolved in water and seawater. And seawater. Then give two examples of organic compound. Give two examples of organic compound.
carbohydrates and hydrocarbons,
Organic compound. Organic compound. Organic compound. Which one? Carbohydrates. Yes. Protein. You can also take urea, glucose. They are also organic compound. They are also organic compound. Then inorganic.
sugar,
Inorganic. You can see in the book and tell fast. Huh. Rust, limestone, blue vitriol. These are the inorganic. Now complex compound. Complex compound. Yes, one by one. Yes. Hemoglobin, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Yes. Now two examples of metalloid, which shows the property of both metal and non-metal. Metal and non-metal. You can tell me, there are 3, 4, you can take any two. Silicon, arsenic,
silicon,
antimony, arsenic.
arsenic,
They are the metalloid. Now two elements which has valency 1. You can tell.
helium,
Then
hydrogen, helium,
one more. One more. Sodium, potassium, chlorine. Sodium, potassium,
potassium,
chlorine. Now element with valency 2. Element with valency 2. Magnesium, calcium. These are the few elements. Now tell me the molecular formula of potassium chloride. Who will tell? KCl. What is K means what?
potassium,
Cl means chlorine, not chloride. Cl means chlorine. What is valency of potassium? Valency of potassium 1. Valency of chlorine 1. Valency of chlorine 1. Now tell me the molecular formula of hydrogen bromide. Search in that box. HBr. Valence of hydrogen. Valence of hydrogen 1. 1. Valence of bromine 1. Now come in our page number 40. See the green color table. Natural name of material, chemical formula or composition or type of matter.
Type of matter.
First material is water. What is chemical formula
H2O.
and type of matter?
Compound.
Type of matter, compound.
Compound.
Second carbon. Second carbon. Chemical formula C. Type of matter. Type of matter,
Element.
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 Number third, oxygen.
O2.
O2. Type of matter, element.
O2 element.
Then number four, air. Number four, air.
Nitrogen. Dust particle.
Oxygen.
Gases.
Oxygen plus, yes, air. Combination of all the gases.
Nitrogen. Carbon dioxide.
Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, rare gases,
Inert gas.
inert gas, all. Type of
Inert gases.
type of matter. Type of matter, mixture. Very good.
Mixture.
Then aluminium. Then aluminium. Formula Al. Formula
Al.
Al. Type of matter, element. Then
Element.
brass. Chemical formula,
Cu plus Zn. Cu plus Zn.
yes, Zn. Type of matter,
Mixture.
mixture. Next, carbon dioxide. Next, carbon dioxide. Formula,
CO2.
type of matter,
CO2.
type of matter, compound.
Compound.
Compound. Yes. Now, come on the table given on page number 45. Page number 45. Yellow color table, see. One example has been solved and given. Name of compound, molecular formula, constituent element, number of atoms of constituent element. First example given, water. Formula is 2O. Constituent element, H means hydrogen, O means oxygen. Number of atoms of hydrogen are 2, oxygen is 1. Go for second, hydrogen chloride. Fill both the columns and tell me.
H and Cl.
H and Cl. How many
Of element.
H? Ah, 1. Hydrogen 1, chlorine 1. Now third, methane. CH4.
Cl.
Which are the C and H? Number of C? Ah,
C1H4.
C1H4. C1H4. C1H4. Okay?
H.
Ah. Last one, magnesium chloride. Magnesium
MgCl2.
MgCl2. Which are the constituent elements? Which are the constituent elements?
And Cl.
Mg means magnesium, Cl means your chlorine. How many magnesium? 1. How many chlorine? 2.
Magnesium 1.
Chlorine 2.
Magnesium 1. Chlorine 2.
Turn the page now. Come in the green color table.
Yes, sir.
Both the examples are solved and given, HCl and water.
Yes, sir.
Go for third one, H2S, hydrogen sulfide. H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Fill that remaining column and tell me. Fill that remaining column and tell me. Yes?
H2S.
Hmm.
2S.
H.
H.
Huh.
S.
Huh.
Valency of H.
Huh.
1.
Huh.
Number of bonds formed by H.
हाँ 2 हाँ yes valency 2 go for second NH3 means ammonia हाँ
ammonia
हाँ हाँ yes हाँ yes yes 3 yes 3 valence is 3 very good number 5 hydrogen bromide number 5 H yes हाँ very good 1 yes हाँ 1 yes valency 1 हाँ number 6 now hydrogen iodide HNI हाँ 1 1 yes हाँ 1 very good valency 1 very good now next one sodium hydride NaH sodium हाँ 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 very good हाँ 1 very good last one now methane CH4 methane हाँ yes हाँ yes C carbon very good 1 हाँ yes हाँ 4 yes valence will be 4 very good answers come now last table now same one below that table violet color box element valence and molecular formula valence is given element is given make the molecular formula and tell me fill up last column only yes that means CH4 huh very good C and CH4 CH yes CH4 means CH wait give the names now CH4 means methane NH3 means ammonia NH3 means ammonia go for the third हाँ 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 very good yes हाँ FES name is FES means iron sulfide FES means iron sulfide हाँ go for the last one हाँ 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 yes हाँ CO2 or only CO wait CO means carbon monoxide CO2 means carbon dioxide okay CO2 means carbon dioxide CO means carbon monoxide okay they are given same now of this CO NH FES they are given same examples come the question number last see in the exercise question number 5 write the names and symbols yes yes first take KCl potassium chloride Second C, HBr means, just I will told you, HBr means